Hi, I'm Jay Cole Sanford, Cash Crop Product Specialist for New Holland Agriculture for the Northeast U.S. So we have a all-new model year 24 CR990 here at the show today with an FD245 New Holland header by MacDon. But we have a lot of exciting changes for model year 24, and the first and foremost that you'll see in the shot here behind me with the new machine is the New Holland signature styling that we're going to introduce for the model year 24 production. We also included a brand new seat. The funny thing about the seat is it's a high back seat, New Holland stitching, but it actually hugs you. I've been talking with producers all week, and they've been really excited about how comfortable the seat is. So, you know, producers spend a lot of time in the cab, and a lot of producers actually use it as their office. So if we can have a good seat, that makes life easy for the operator. So from a performance standpoint, new changes. First and foremost, you'll see behind me, the LSW 1250 tires will now be available as an option from the factory. So a lot of producers have been excited about that, to see that here at the show. In addition, a few other changes have happened. From a performance standpoint, we now include IntelliCruise as standard equipment. So IntelliCruise is the ground drive control system that looks at the losses over the rotor or the sieve and determines if the combine should speed up or slow down. Conversely, in soybean or pulse crops where we have a little bit of a heavier load, it'll look at the engine load. So that function is one half of the automation piece, and that's now standard equipment. One other change that's happening with our smaller machines, so the 780 and the 790 can now be equipped with remote rotor vanes, or dynamic flow control, DFC as it's called, and that gives the combine the ability to change the crop flow through the rotors and allow the machine to maybe slow them down or speed them up depending on the condition, getting more performance and more capacity out of the machine. So in closing, I'm real excited about all the changes for model year 24. And if you have any questions or any more things that you want to learn about the brand, please visit newholland.com on the North America site, or search any of the social media channels for New Holland Agriculture.